Part 3, and one last thing on this setup. Anybody who's wondering about these bottles, these are 1.5 liter MSR fuel bottles. You can put just about anything in them, but they'll cover, they'll fill by 1.5 liters each, and it's enough to get you out of a jam. I bought these through MEC. You can find a lot of them online on Amazon and whatnot, but I could only find 1.5 liter bottles on MEC, so I got 2 of those, and like I said, it's enough to get me out of a jam. Ranges really vary with these bikes. I'll get about 300k out of this one before I've got to start worrying about fuel. But I had a Thruxton before this, and that, if I was really well behaved on the highway, would get me about 200k. Where I'm living, it's 200k to the next gas station, so I didn't want to take that chance. And when I go into and through interior BC, I don't want to be caught in a jam there, because I might go into some unknown parts, and I don't know what the fuel distance is going to be between gas stations, so I packed a couple of bottles just to get me out of a jam. That's it. Thanks, guys.